Today, T takes on a toilet seat bidet.
I get started by shutting off the water line and flushing the toilet. I place a towel in the rear to catch any residual water remaining in the hose or dripping from the water tank. Since the hose is over 10 years old, I decided to replace the inlet hose entirely, but this step is completely optional. Next, I remove the toilet seat and the remaining nuts and bolts. I secure the mounting plate to the toilet using the brackets, square head bolts, and barrel nuts. I make sure that the teeth on the black brackets lock into place with the mounting plate. I then tighten up the barrel nuts using some channel lock pliers. The next step is to slide the toilet seat into place until it clicks. I place a rubber washer in the T-valve connector and attach it to the water tank. I then connect the new inlet hose to the bottom of the T-valve connector. Next, I connect the straight end of the included hose to the T-valve connector and the 90-degree end to the toilet seat. Remove the paper, turn the water back on, and test for leaks.
Alright, here we go. The bidet is installed. Let's go ahead and lift up the seat here so you can see the nozzles come out. All you need to do is turn it forward 2 clicks for the front wash for the females. If you turn it backwards, you get the rear wash. I'll turn it just a little bit for the nozzle to come out. But the further you turn it back, either forwards or backwards, the more pressure there will be coming out. And that's it. So, thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you the next T takes on.